In this video, I will show you how to find Steam ID. First of all, open the Steam application and log into your account for which you want to find the Steam ID. This could be the Steam desktop client, mobile app, or even the web browser version. Before proceeding, make sure that your Steam application is updated to its latest version. Updates ensure that you have access to all the newest features and interface changes. On the home screen, you will see the profile icon, or just in case if you haven't completely set up your profile, you will see a placeholder icon that can be a question mark within a box at top right corner. Both represents your profile, so tap on it to navigate to the profile page. On the profile page, you will see a variety of different options. Tap on the account details option. All your account details will appear here, including your username, Steam ID, wallet balance, and other account related details. At the top of the screen, your Steam account username will be prominently displayed. Just beneath it, you will find your Steam ID. This is the unique numeric identifier for your account, and it's the information we were looking for. Now that you have found your Steam ID, you have a couple of options for sharing it. Long press or right click on the Steam ID to select it. Once selected, tap on the copy option and it will be copied to your clipboard. You can now paste it into a message, email, or anywhere else you need to share it. Or the other way is to directly share it with others using the share option. And this is how you can find Steam ID.